How to delete shipping calculated at checkout on a Shopify product page. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the shipping calculated tag on the Shopify page or product page. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. Here in this today's video, we are going to let you see how we can see that specific area. So we are going to visit here the online store. I'm going to take a quick look here on any product page. So we are going to select here any product. And this is the tag that we want to remove. This is shipping calculated at checkout. We want to remove this tag. So we are going to head over the themes. Then we are going simply to click on the three dots right there, and now we are going to edit the default theme content. So with this, we're going to see here on the products. Now for the products, we're going to see here shipping. So we are going to search for shipping, shipping like that, shipping with an I like this. And then we are going to see it right away here on the product. So make sure that you're going to see it on the product. So we're going to simplify here this. So we are going to type calculated to get more here attention right there on the product. So we are going to find it here on the product. Shipping policy HTML. Remember this. So we are going to see it right there. Calculated at checkout. So we are going to delete that. So we are going to delete that by putting here a space. Click on save. Boom. We are going to wait until the save are done. So we are going to visit the store again. And we are going to visit any product page. And boom, here we have it disappeared. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.